Hey guys, welcome back. Live on Coinmarketcap here. So, on this particular page, this where there's a group of cryptocurrencies and platforms that you can utilize in getting the best interest rate on whichever cryptocurrency you wish to earn on. So it says here that you earn crypto from crypto. So here you can get an interest on these particular cryptocurrencies and these particular tokens. So, and there's also an opportunity for you to be able to borrow. You can borrow cryptocurrencies once you meet up the criteria. So you can see Bitcoin price here. Bitcoin price is about $49,000. It's heading towards the $50,000 mark. Then we have for platforms you can utilize for borrowing. You have Bitfinex, CoinLoan, CoinDCX, Nexo, Constant, and UODA. So on these platforms, these are exchange wallet, exchange. So these are the interest rates you pay back if you are to make a borrowing order. So the highest here is about 7%. That's for The highest here is for UODA. That's 7%. That's the highest you'll be paying back as the interest rate on your loans. So what people usually do, they do borrow these loans, trade them, and then try and pay back. So that's what they do, get profit. If you don't have the particular token at the moment, if you meet up the criteria, you can apply for a loan, while also you can also earn interest on your cryptocurrencies that are available. So guys, I'll be dropping a link to this particular page here, and there are various coins here you can utilize in this process. If you have spare USDT, Cardano, Ethereum, Dogecoin that you wish to utilize for this whole process, you can you can you can sign up on these platforms, any of these ones, and start using it, start utilizing it. So for the ones you can borrow, they put them here. Come Bitfinex and a whole lot of them. So you just interest rate, check out the interest rate, and you are good to go. So Bitfinex, it says here that Bitfinex is a centralized exchange that has an order book for lending, borrowing assets for margin trading. So crypto asset owners, lenders deposit their asset on the exchange and offer out the asset for traders to loan for a fee. So traders can then borrow these assets to short-term markets by paying an interest fee to the lender. Supply and demand from lenders and borrowers determine the prevailing interest rate, and this rate will fluctuate over time. The interest rate listed here is the FFR, flash return rate. There's more info there. So guys, if you want to check out more updates on this particular section, I'll drop the link in the description box so you can get access to it. So if you have a spare digital assets cryptocurrency that you have not been using and you would want to utilize it for this whole process, you can. I think you can read through. I don't think there's a way you can lose your tokens if you lend it out. I think there's meant to be a collateral, so make sure you read more on it before you put through. And don't forget, you need to do your own research. Cryptocurrency trading is very risky. It's very risky. So those are the tips you should know. So guys, peace out, peace out, one love. I hope at the end of this video you should know that these are some of the most recommended platforms by Coinmarketcap. They are the trusted ones, so you can easily they've been tested out. That's why they are listed here, so you can easily do business with them. You can easily utilize them to any interest, or meanwhile you still need to make your own research. So guys, one love guys, peace out, and then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell below. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also Also, drop your comment in the comment section. We'll be there to attend to you